Hey guys, today we are making delicious lemon madeleine, which is perfect as a gift or a tea snack. I'm sharing how to make it successfully, step by step. So let's get started. First, we're gonna zest lemon. This is gonna add extra refreshing flavor to the madeleine. The white part below the yellow skin is very bitter, so don't zest too deep, zest only the surface. It smelled so amazing at this point. The room was filled with lemon scent. We're gonna add sugar and salt to it and mix. Do this as a very first thing so that the lemon scent can spread to the sugar and salt. Okay. Also, as a prep, melt butter beforehand and sift cake flours and baking powder together as well. Cake flours get lumpy so easily, so I definitely recommend you to sift it before use. The wet ingredients are egg and honey. By adding honey, madeleines stay a little bit more moist and they get caramelized even more in oven. Mix until they look even, and no need to whip right here. Add flours and mix until it looks nice and smooth. And now add melted butter and mix. If the butter is not warm enough, it can get hardened as you mix and it does not blend well. So I recommend you to heat up butter up to about 40 to 50 Celsius, depending on how cold the mixture is. You can stop once it's mixed evenly. Add lemon juice and mix. In the very end, mix with a spatula and check if it's blended evenly. Now, let it rest in the fridge for at least 1 hour so that the glutens in cake flour get rested and weakened, and that leads to more fluffy texture with higher volume. To get nice and even golden brown color on the surface of madeleines, apply soft butter thinly all around. You can also use melted butter and dust flour on top. Today I used all-purpose flour, but you can use cake flour or bread flour as well. And very important to toss the pan and make sure that the flour is touching all around the surface and remove the excess flour. Never skip this process to get beautiful even color. Preheat your oven at 395 Fahrenheit, which is about 200 Celsius. And we're gonna pipe the butter into the molds. When you don't fill enough, you will not get the tall mountain tops on the surface, but when you fill too much, it'll go over the edge as you bake. So with this recipe, I like to fill up to about 80% of the mold. Turn the temperature down to 365 Fahrenheit, which is 185 Celsius, and bake for 8 to 10 minutes until the mountain tops are not wet anymore. They got cute bellies, which is a signature look for madeleines. They are very fluffy and I don't want to squish the bellies, so I let them lay on the side like this to let them cool. I actually decided to bake one more batch after this to give to Ray's teachers. So this is the second round. With one batch, you can get about 15 madeleines. Now we make lemon icing. Add powdered sugar, lemon juice, and water and mix until it looks smooth. And that's it. It's very simple. And I like to coat with a brush. One batch of the recipe I listed is enough to coat both the top and bottom surface of all the 15 madeleines. But if you want to coat only the top surface like today, you can make a half batch of this recipe. And now to let the surface dry completely, bake them at 302 Fahrenheit, which is 150 Celsius, for 1 minute. And it is complete. I highly recommend you to take time and coat this icing since it makes these madeleines a lot more delicious. It just changes a whole lot. And it helps to keep the madeleines nice and moist. Thank you guys. Happy pastry living, and I'll see you next week. Bye bye.